How to use the audio cleanup feature to remove unwanted background sound from YouTube from YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can how you can clean up your audio and remove unwanted background sound. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and from there you can see I have already added up the project. So just tap right here on this project. Now you can see if I tap right here on the project, so if I scroll down this list, you can see with the volume button you can see the audio cleaner option. So just tap right here on the audio cleaner, and after that you will see that. So guys, from there you can clean up your audio in YT Create application. Although this option is not available in other applications. So you can see audio cleanup is turned on. Now tap again to turn off. So if you wanted to remove the noise, so let us tap on this voice and we will see application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So you can see that all the audio noise will be removed. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.